Hello and welcome to the Ray Law International channel. So glad you can join us today. You know, there is a ton of information for foreign nationals on how to get a green card, but what about our clients who are employers? HR and immigration specialists also need to know how to hire foreign nationals. Perhaps you are a new company that doesn't know anything about immigration, and this is your first time to permanently hire a foreign national. Let's find out what you need to know. There are several ways to hire a foreign national. Typically, they will possess a work permit, an employment authorization document, or they will have to have a work visa, such as a P1 or an L1 visa. However, if you are an employer and you have found that ideal employee that you want to keep permanently, then you have to go through the immigrant visa process. For the EB3 and EB2 categories, there is a three-step process that you will follow: the labor certification process, the immigrant petition by the employer, and finally, the actual application for the green card. First, the business needs to go through the labor certification process. The labor certification process is handled through the Department of Labor. The employer must prove that they need to hire foreign workers because there are not enough qualified citizens in the area to do the required job. There are various industries that need foreign workers, from farming to large corporations, from universities to hospitals. During the labor certification process, a company will conduct recruitment for the offered position. This is real-world recruitment. Should a qualified candidate apply, an interview must be conducted. If the company is unable to find a qualified candidate, then the employer will submit its application for certification. Once the application is certified, then we can move on to the next stage of the green card process. During the immigration petition process, the employer will file a petition on behalf of the foreign national. The immigrant petition is filed with the USCIS. The USCIS will review the petition and render a decision on 2 points. First, the employer must show that it has the ability to pay the prevailing wage established by the Department of Labor based on the position's minimum requirements. Additionally, the employer must show that the foreign national has met the educational and/or experience requirements for the position. Once the immigrant petition is approved, then the company can move on to the last stage of the green card process. This third and final stage does not require much from the employer. At the green card stage, it is essentially the foreign national making application and showing that he or she has no other barriers to obtaining their green card. If the foreign national is abroad, then the foreign national will obtain an immigrant visa at the U.S. Embassy. A green card application could be denied if the applicant had committed a crime that rendered him or her inadmissible, such as a felony. Signing up to vote in an election could also disqualify one from obtaining their green card. Each employment-based category has their own unique process. If you obtained your green card or are in the process of obtaining your green card under the EB2 or EB3 categories, was your process similar to that which I described? What was different? Let us know in the comments below. If you need help as an employer or as a foreign national, give us a call or send us an email. We are waiting to hear from you. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.